We're gonna play this game, Fighters Duo Legends. So we're gonna have this functionality. We are pretty much punching with F, oops, and with G we kicking, okay, and H is for the special move. So this has a similar wasp functionality. Now with W I'm jumping, so I'm gonna move forward with D, I'm gonna jump with W, and I press H, so that's my superpower now. Okay, so that's cool. And now I'm gonna start punching this fighter with F, with G and kicking it, F, and okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna press H, so let me see if I can do this. Okay, that's my superpower. So this game is Fighters Duo Legends, and it has a
flawless victory,
Unity WebGL functionality. Okay, so if I press F, I'm gonna send me to the next round. So let's check it out. Okay. Well, it's not really wasp functionality since right now I'm pretty much using F to punch, G to kick, and H is for the superpowers or the super moves. That's my super move. And take that. And now I'm just gonna. Okay, that's cool. Flawless victory. So pressing F. So this is, yeah, this is similar to Mortal Kombat. So let me see who I'm gonna pick this time. No character. Yeah, let's see if I can pick this dude. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, so I'm pressing the wrong keyboards and using the wasp functionality. That's the reason I mess up. But now, okay. Yeah, he's beating me. Yeah, he defeated me. Alright. Let me give. Okay, so. Oh, I thought it was gonna appear an ad, so never mind that. Okay, so now. Now you take that, that's my superpower. And now let me see if I can finish this dude. Not yet. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the MMA guy. Wow. So now to settle the score, let me see if I can do this. Oops. So I'm pressing H for my super move. And let me see. Okay, so I won. Yeah, this is similar to Street Fighter in Mortal Kombat. So we are using here Unity. Okay, so I'm pressing F to the next fight. Let me see who is this guy? Saradian. Oh man, he looks creepy. Okay, let's give it a try. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so we're using HTML5 and Unity, so we may see advertisements, so just ignore it. So let me see. Okay, so I'm fighting. Okay, so that's my superpower. Whoa, yeah, that's kind of cool. Take that, alright. That's cool. Alright.
Victory.
I'm gonna defeat this dude real quick now.
Fight.
I'm gonna have it. Uh-oh. Now my super move. Well, not yet. Okay. Alright, I beat him anyway, so let me see if I can unlock new fighters. So this is all the fighters that I have. Let me see, let's pick this dude. Nah, not this dude. Who is this guy? This is a ninja. Okay, let's pick this ninja. Alright, that's cool. Let's see how we're doing with this dude. And if you see an ad or something, just never mind. So let's skip it at okay, just what I'm talking about. So let's skip this ads or just ignore it. Okay.
3,
Alright.
2, 1.
Let's do it. Alright. I don't know if I already used this guy. I don't remember. And that's my superpower. And the cool thing is you just have to press H for the superpower. So okay, so that's kind of cool. Different from Street Fighter and Mortal Kombat. So let me see. Alright, that's my superpower. Let me see if I can. Okay, yeah, that's kind of like an energy beam. Okay, I got you again. And I think this is it. So now I'm gonna just kick him pretty much, beat him up. Alright. That's cool, so we fought this dude as well. Who is this guy? Ray Masters, who is this guy? Let's give it a try. Ray Masters, so let me see.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Let me see what's my superpower now. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Whoa, that was cool. Whoa, man, that was so neat. Yeah, that's cool.
Your fighter.
And now let me see, just to end this game, let me see who we can pick. We already picked this dude, I guess. Let's go for the Reno. So Okay, I don't know what's his name. And again, if you see an ad, just ignore it. So let me see, let's give it a try. Okay, again the oh.
Three, two,
Alright, so
one,
let's give it a try.
fight!
Alright, so that's my superpower now. Okay, that's cool.
Victory! Three,
Next fight.
2, 1,
Let me see
fight!
how fast I can finish this. Uh-oh. Okay, and now you're gonna take a beating. Uh-oh. And I am the one who is getting beat. Okay, so I created some distance, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. Now I think he got me. Okay, I got carried away and he beat me. Okay, so now I'm gonna be more cautious. And I'm not letting you get away with that, man. You're going down. Okay, that's cool, but alright, so I won. And again, pretty much. So this is the game. Fighters Legend Duo. Just ignore the ad. So the developer is RHM Interactive. So HTML5 Unity WebGL. So this is the technology that we are exploring. Again, you can read all the stuff. Fighters Legend Duo is an epic fighting game that brings together legendary fighters from various backgrounds. So the release is pretty much October 2023, so pretty much it was this month. This is the developer, the platform, the controller. So it's not really the WAS functionality, or well, we are using pretty much the F to punch, G to kick. It'll be the FGH F functionality per se. But yeah, this is a pretty cool game.